Hello and welcome to this language lesson. Today you will be learning an Italian conversation to improve your vocabulary and your pronunciation. Just like always, let's not talk too much, let's jump right in. Sono stanco. I am tired. Hai dormito male? Did you sleep badly? Sì, ho dormito solo 4 ore. Yes, I only slept 4 hours. 4 ore non sono abbastanza. 4 hours are not enough. Sì, hai ragione. Yes, you are right. Fai sport? Do you play sports? Qualche volta vado in palestra. Sometimes I go to the gym. Sembra buono. Sounds good. Fai anche sport? Do you also play sports? Giocavo a calcio prima. I used to play football. Forse dovresti ricominciare. Maybe you should start again. Sì, ci penso. I'm thinking about it. In this Italian conversation, there are lots of useful phrases and sentences which will help you to improve your Italian vocabulary and, of course, your pronunciation. This video is very helpful and I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, you can leave a comment, tell me what you think. You can also hit the like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Goodbye.